Namaste students, welcome to my channel Sumanth Tutorial. In this session, I am going to explain you the content of finding the roots of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So in the whole content, I am going to explain you the direct question followed by some statement problems too. So watch the video completely. And moreover, if you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Yeah students, see here quadratic equation. So let me give a brief introduction what the quadratic equation is. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. See here, observe the power of x is to the maximum power of x is to any equation having the maximum power of x as 2, that is considered to be as a quadratic equation. So what we are going to find here, we are going to find the roots, the value of x. How many values we may expect here? We will get 2 values of x, as the power of x is 2. So we are going to get 2 values of x that we are going to find here using factorization method. That's all. Yes students, the first question is like this. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method, and the first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is what the first equation is. So what we need to find? We need to find the roots of this equation by factorization method. So I request you to follow the steps which I am going to solve here so that it will be very easy for you to find out. What's the first step? First step, find the product of first term and the last term. Clear? First term and the last term. X square into minus 10, it is minus 10x square. First step. I repeat one more time. First step is find the product of first and the last term. So it is minus 10x square. We need to find 2 numbers in such a way that product should come minus 10 and sum should come minus 3. So how to find? It's very easy. Remember the table where we will get a number 10. It is 5 2s are. See here, 5 2s are or 2 5s are. So this will be x, this will be x. Okay. See here, 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square. Number part is clear. Sign, very good. Sign is very important. See here, if the product should have a negative sign, means either 5 or 2 should be negative. Are you getting what I am speaking? See here, the product is negative means either 5 or 2 should be negative. So for which number I should put the negative sign will be decided by the middle term. That is very important. See, observe here, it is minus 3. If the sum should come minus, means it's minus 5 plus 2. Let me cross check it. 5 2s are 10. Minus into plus, minus, x into x, x square. This part is clear. I need to cross check here also. Minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x. So it is very clear. The middle term I am going to split into 2 different terms. One is minus 5 and plus 2x. So let me substitute the value of minus 5x and plus 2x here. Then it changes to x square, first term as it is, minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay, if you are clear, then group these two terms. Take the common factor x square minus 5x. I can take x common. If I take x common in x square means how much time the x is present? 2 times. If I take 1 as a common factor, remaining is x. I repeat one more time. In x square, if I take x will be remaining minus 5x. In that, if I take x as a common, remaining is 5. Next step, plus 2 I will take a common. I cannot take x here because I am having only one x here. So it may as this one. So there will be no confusion. Yeah. So x here, there is no x. So I cannot take x as a common factor, but I can take 2 as a common factor. Why? Because in 2 table 5 is going to come. So if I take 2 as a common factor, 2x, if I take 2, remaining is x, plus into minus is minus 2 table 10, 5 is up. Clear? If you are clear with this step, once again underline. This is just to make a group. So it is not mandatory to underline, just for to get highlight. I did this one. Observe this one. X minus 5, it is common. So I will take x minus 5. Remaining is x plus 2. Next step, finding the value. See here, x minus 5 is equal to 0 as well as x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then value of x will be x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. Clear? If you are very clear with this one, please copy. Second question. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So follow the steps. Find the product of first and the last term. So 6 2s are 12x square with minus sign. 6 2s are 12x square, plus into minus is minus. Here also I need to find two numbers such a way that the answer should come, x means nothing but 1. The sum should come 1, product should come 12. So what I should do, I need to recall the table where I will get 12 as a number. So there are two options. 6 2s are 12, but the combination of 6 and 2, if you add or if you subtract, you won't get 1. So what's the other number? It is 4 3s are. See here, 4 3s are. So x and the x. 4 3s are 12. X into x, x square. Clear? But minus 12 need to come, means either 4 should be minus or 3 should be minus. Is that clear what I am speaking? So I repeat one more time. Minus 12 means either 4 should be minus or 3 should be minus. So for which I should put the minus will be decided by this term. As I said previous, plus should come. See here, for that reason, plus 4 minus 3. So what happens if I use plus 3 and minus 4? I will get the answer as minus 12x square. I accept. But see here, if you use minus 4 and plus 3, you will get here minus x. That will not be a proper. So if you want to get plus 1x or plus x, so plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Clear? For that term, you should be very careful while you are selecting the sign of the number. So the next step, replace it. So here, 2x square as it is. So I will replace plus x as 4x minus 3x minus 6. What's the next step? Group. Take the common factor. Observe here, 2 and 4 I can take 2. X square and x I can take x as a factor. What I left with? 2x square. If I take 2x, the remaining is x. Next is plus 2x is there. I need to take a common factor 4x. So if I take 2x as a common factor from the 4x, it is 2. So 2 2s are 4, x and x will get cancelled. Next, minus is there. I will take minus 3x and 6. I cannot take x, I can take only 3. Then if I take 3 as a common factor from 3x, I will get x. Minus into minus is plus. 3 2s is 6. Next, once again, x plus 2 is common. Let me take x plus 2. Remaining is 2x minus 3. I repeat one more time. X plus 2 is there in both the equations. So I have taken x plus 2 as a common factor. Remaining is 2x minus 3 equal to the 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 2, one root. Second root, 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. Multiplication sign changes to division. So these two are the roots of this equation. Clear? You can copy. Yes students, one more question. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. No need to panic. Use it very calm. Keep your mind very much relaxed and solve it. Follow the step. It will be easy. First step. Find the product of first term and the last term. See here. Root 2 x square into 5 root 2 is there. We know very clearly root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 5 into 2 x square. How this 2 can? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 5 into 2 x square. It is 10x square. That's all. Then what I should find? I need to find two numbers in such a way that product should come 10, sum should come 7. So which are the table where I can get? It is 5 2s. Very simple, right? 5 2s. 5 2s x and x. It is plus. So product should come plus 10 x square. 5 into 2, 10, x into x, x square, plus 5x plus 2x is plus 7x. Clear? Yeah. So next step. Root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Clear? Yeah. See here. Next, group and group. Observe here. Root 2, 5, I can't take either root 2 or 5 as a common factor. 1 will be there. Very good. X square and x, x. So I can take x as a common factor. If I take x as a common factor, remaining will be root 2x because x square means x will be 2. If I take one common factor, 1 will be remaining. Plus 5. Don't write here x because already I have taken x as a common factor. Plus, what you can take the common? 1 will be there, I know. But root 2 is there. So, got confused? No need. See here, it's very simple. This key, remember in your mind, 2 can be written as a root 2 into root 2. Are you getting what I am speaking? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Then see here, 2x will be root 2x or root 2 into root 2 of x. Are you getting what I am telling now? 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 because root 2 square is 2 only. 2 can be replaced as root 2 into root 2. That we are going to apply here. That is one key, one small trick. So 2x, that can be written as root 2 into root 2x. So then I can take root 2 as common. Are you getting? Are you getting what I am speaking? Very good. The remaining is root 2x. This one you should keep it in mind. This is the key and the trick. Plus, if I take root 2, it will be 5. That's all. That is the only trick. Then it is very clear. Root 2x plus 5, root 2x plus 5 is common. So if I take root 2x plus 5 as a common factor, remaining will be x plus root 2. That's finished. What I need to do, only one step, equal to the 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Next step, root 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and x is equal to minus. That's these two are the roots. You can box put them up like this, cover it. Yes, these two are the roots of this equation. So remember, this is the trick. If you apply here, it will be easy. Otherwise, you feel that you are not getting the answer. It is not like that. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. That's copy that. Yes, students. In this question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here also, no need to panic. Just follow the steps. See here, it is in a fraction. So, if you find the product of first and last term, it will be 1 by 4. So, it is a bit complicated. How we can solve it very easily? First step, solve it by taking the LCM. So, 8 is the LCM. Solve. So, nothing is there is 1, nothing is there is 1. You know that one. So, on table 8, 8 2 is a 16. X square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next step, 8 will going to reach here. So the equation changes right here only. So it is 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this one you should keep in mind. If you got a fraction like this, please solve it. So now we are having the quadratic equation 16x square minus 8x plus 1. This is the first step. Then next will be very easy. Find the product of first and the last term, that is 16x square plus 16x square. You need to find the two numbers such a way that product should come 16, sum should come 8. So which table you will get 16? So we will having 8 2s are 16. But 8 and 2 combination will not going to give 8 as an answer. So the remaining is 4 4s are very good. So 4 4s are 16. X and X. Check once. 4 4s are 16. X into X is X square plus 16x square. This part is clear. But observe, it is minus 8. So what I should do? I need to place minus for both the numbers such that minus 4x is minus 8x. Product will come plus 16, don't worry. Minus 4x into minus 4x is plus 16x square. That is true. Minus 4x and minus 4x is minus 8x. Okay. Next is direct substitute. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Group it. So here I can take 4 and x as a common. How? 4 times 16 will come. 4 and 16, 4 is a common. X square and x is the common. So 4 times 16, 4 is x square x minus 1. Then if I take minus 1 as a common, 4x plus into minus is minus 1. Next step, take the common factor. 4x minus 1, remaining is 4x minus 1, equals to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 4. Here also 4x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Copy that. Yes friends, next question. 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. First find the product of first and the last term. Minus 100 1 to 1 is 100x square. I need to find two numbers such a way that the product should come 100, sum should come 20. Yeah, 10 tens are. That's all. 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. X and x. 10x into 10x is 100x square. But I need the sum value as minus 20. So minus 10 plus 100. Cross check. Minus 10x minus 10x minus 20x. Clear? Minus 10x into minus 10x plus 100x. That's all. Yeah. Do it. 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Group. Here I can take 10x as a common. So 10 table 100 tens are x minus 1. Minus 1, take 10 plus into minus is minus. 10x plus into minus is minus 1. Group 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1. So if I take 10x minus 1 as a common factor, remaining is 10x minus 1. That's all. Next is equate both 1 to 0. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 10x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 10. Likewise, 10x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, place it in a box. That is what? The roots of the given equation. No doubt means please copy it. Students, if you are clear with this content, let us go for some statement wise problem. It is telling like this. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. We need to find this number. So what it is telling? It is telling if you find the sum of two numbers, the value will going to come is 27, product 182. How to find? First we need to consider let the number be x, then the other number be 27 minus x. You might have the doubt how I have taken this one. It's very simple. So let me take as like this. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Imagine just one number as an example I had given. So I have taken let the number be x, means this becomes x. Then what about 7? The 7 will be equal to 27 minus 20 only now. So if this becomes x, the other number is 27 minus x. Based on that one, I have selected this one. So if the sum of two number is 27, if one of the number is x, another number will be 27 minus x. This is the trick. Okay, so let me erase this one. It's of no use. See here now, what the question says. Product of these two, I repeat, product of these two number is 182. So find the product. X of 27 minus x is equal to 182. Clear what they said? Sum of two numbers is 27. Product of those two is 182. Next step, do the product. 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Next step, take this 180 to the left side. 27x minus x square minus 182 is equal to 0. I got a quadratic equation, but this is not in a standard form. Do you remember what is the standard form? I said it is ax square plus bx plus c. So first should be x square, then arrange it. It is in shuffled form. Arrange it. Minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. I will multiply the whole equation by minus sign, then it changes to x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Observe now this one with the standard equation, it is matching. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So till now we got the quadratic equation. What we should do now? We need to find the roots of this equation. See here, 182x square. I need to find the two numbers such a way that the sum should come minus 27 and product should come 182. A bit more number, right? But no need to panic. No need to panic. I will give the instruction how we can find out. See here, 182. Do the prime factorization. Find the prime factors for 182. Yes, you can take 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 91, which table? 13, yes. 13 7s are. Clear? So 182 as a product of 2, 13, 7. You might have asked the question, sir, what is the use of it? So by considering these numbers, I can find out these two. Because product is sure 182. The product of these three numbers is 182. That is sure. But which number I should select in a group such that the sum should come 27. See here, 13 and these two is 14. 7 2s are 14. So 182 can be written as a product of 13 and 14. How I got 13 and 14? This is 13. 7 2s are 14. Clear? See here, 182 plus x and the x. So 13 and 14, 27 will going to come, very good, minus that sum. This is the way we can find out the roots. It is very easy, right? So 182, I know it has become difficult to remember, but this method it is very easy. See here. Minus 14 minus 13 is minus 27. Minus into minus is plus, product is 182. That's all. If you got this one, next will be very easy. That is x square minus, use this one, 14x minus 13x plus 182. Next is product, grouping. In x square and x, I will take x as a factor. So x minus 14 minus 13 I can take, very good. X minus 13, 1s are 13, 5, 13 4s are 52. So plus into minus is minus, yeah, that's true. Then once again, finding the common, x minus 14, x minus 30. X minus 14 and x minus 30. So x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Then x equals 14, x equals 13. Those two all the numbers are 13 and 14. Sum of those two numbers. So check once here. They said first sum 14 plus 13, 27. We got it. Product of those two numbers, 14 into 13, 182. So this is verification. What you got the answer? That is true. Clear? So this is how we are going to solve this numerical. If you are very clear with smile, copy that. Next question. Find two consecutive positive integer, sum of whose squares is 365. So we need to find the two consecutive positive integer whose sum of the square is 365. See here also we are going to follow the method, that is let the number be x. Consecutive means next number. If one number is x, then other is x plus 1. How? If it is 3, consecutive number is 4. If it is 10, consecutive number is 11. Means if the number is x, if you add 1 to that one, that becomes the next number. That is called as consecutive number. What the question is telling now? The sum of the squares of the number is 365. See here, x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. I repeat, sum of the squares of the number is 365. So next step, x square plus, this is a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 365. So next find the sum, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. Plus 365, if I take to the left side of the equal sign, that changes to minus 365. Next is 2x square plus 2x plus, minus 364 is equal to 0. Got it? I can take 2 as a common factor because all 3 are even number. If I take 2 as a common factor, I left with x square plus x minus 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Nothing but x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Where this 2 gone? If I transfer to the other side, 0 by 2, it is 0. Good. See here. Now, 182 x square. Yeah, we got the same number. It's minus. See here, we need to find two numbers we already find out in a previous numerical. That is 13 into 14, x and x. Observe now. The sum should come plus 1. So this will become plus, this becomes minus. Why this is minus? Because product should become negative, right? So let me cross check. 14 13s are 182. Plus into minus is minus. Plus 14x minus 13 is plus 6. That's all. Next is the same procedure. X square plus, okay, 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Next is grouping. If you take x as a common, x plus 14 minus 13 as common, x plus 14. How is plus? Minus into minus is plus. Next is once again grouping. X plus 14 and x minus 13. So equate to 0. X plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 14. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13. I got two numbers now. Minus 14 and plus 13. Which number I should select? I should select plus 13, not minus 14. Why? The question says that it's positive. It's positive integer. For that reason, this will not be the answer. This is one of the root. I accept. But your answer is not minus 14. It is plus 13. The numbers are, you should write here, which are the numbers? The numbers are 13 and 14. So 13, sir, you said you cannot take minus 14, but you have taken plus 14. No, not this one. Consecutive number, right? If let the number be x, another number is x plus 1. So if the number is x, another number is 14. How? X is equal to 13, x plus 1 is 13 plus 1, nothing but 14. Clear? So x and x plus 1, 13 and 14. So the number are 13 and 14. Next question. So the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. See here how we are going to solve. So right angle triangle, you should keep it in your mind. So find let the base be x. I have taken base as x. Then the side will be x minus 7. Why? If the base is x centimeter, they had given the other side less than 7. So minus 7. And they had given, I will write here, hypotenuse as 13 centimeter. So this is the first step. I have taken base as x, then other side will be x minus 7. Next. Which one? Very good. Pythagoras Theorem. What the Pythagoras Theorem says that the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So let me draw a line. Solve it. 13 square 169. 13 into 13 169 is equal to x square plus, this is a minus b whole square, nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next step. Let me place here 169. X square plus x square is 2x square. So minus 14x plus 49. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. Very good. So plus is there. If I transfer to the other side of the equal sign, that changes to minus, will be equal to 0. Next step, 2x square minus 14x 169 minus 49 is 120. Yes, minus 120 is equal to 0. Take 2 as a common factor because all three are even number. So if I take 2 as a common factor, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So I got here the quadratic equation. So let me rewrite it. X square minus 7x minus 60. So first and second number product, x square into 60 minus 60x square minus 60x square. I need to find two numbers such a way that the product should come 60 and sum should get 7. Yeah. Table. Remember the table where you will get product as 60. Yes, very good. 12 5s are 12 5s are 60. Yeah. 12 5s are 60. X into x, x square, 60x square. Clear? I need to get minus here. Minus 7 is there, so 12 will get minus, 5 will get plus. So you already know, right? Don't need to explain here. Very good. So then x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Group. Then take x as a common, x minus 12 plus 5 as a common, x minus 12. Once again, group, x minus 12 is one term, x plus 5 is the another term. Equate to 0. So x minus 12 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12, x is equal to minus 5. Here also observe we got two value of x. One is plus 12, another one is minus 5. I need to select plus 12 only. Why? Because it is very clear I am finding the side. Clear? Side should not be a negative. It's a length, right? It should not be a negative value. See here, if x is 12. So let me mark here. So x is equal to 12. Then another side is x minus 7. That is 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7? It is 5 centimeter. So it is very clear the sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So you need to complete this part too. Don't forget. So we have taken a base as x. Here base is 12 centimeter and one more side is 5 centimeter. Clear? Yeah. Thank you. Yes, students. And one more question I will give you as a work. So that will be given at the end of my video so that you can read the question, understand it and find the solution, and please drop the solution in a comment box so that I come to know that one you got the content. So if you are very clear, thank you for your support, and once again I am telling, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you dear.